We spend times on developing a products, but people don't appreciate. We started this company in August 2015. Our company started with just only the 3 products, which is the detergent, softener and sanitizer, which we supply to coin laundry service. So when end user go to this coin laundry service, when they wash their clothes, they will come back because of the detergent and softener and also the smell. Kelly and I have been a chemist for more than 50 years. We believe our experience in being a chemist for supplying different various cleaning products for different industry. That's why we formulated a series of home care cleaning products under the line Loas.
Actually, at the starting, a lot of people they suggest that we try to copycat others' brand perfume, the smell. Then Carmen and I we discuss if you want to do something and try to give consumers something is different from outside, we need to do something is unique and our own perfume, own smell.
When our product finished produced, we were so excited that we wanted to do marketing, want to sell our products. So we hired a sales and marketing team, and they go around. Oh, cannot do this one, or we cannot do the listing or at retail shop or those hypermarkets, or the listings is very high. Then after that, they said we cannot do on that one. So they go and search for others, those smaller retailer. But people keep giving us feedback that your brand Novas, nobody knows. It's not a famous brand. And from there, after almost 9 months, we decided to close for this sales team. We have to each place go and take back. It's actually very hard. We spend times on developing a products, but people don't appreciate. Sometimes people call in that they want to buy, so how they can buy from like Johor, Terengganu, all those. From there, we know about Shopee, Lazada. So from there, we started with e-commerce. There was one day that we received emails from Matrade and also MDEC regarding e-commerce day. I attended the seminar while Kelly's take care of the productions, all those.
Because we have to maintain our quality, our SOP, everything. So Carmen go out, Kelly stay here. Night time, Kelly and Carmen sit together and say, what is our e-commerce?
Then we know our products need to go online. After that, attended free seminars, free training course, and people said that you need to do small advertising. Even though it's under our cost, but we still do that one because we calculated it's the cheapest, fastest way of doing branding and marketing. So currently, my monthly sales from both Lazada and Shopee's about 300, and it's always maintained there because they rebuy. Well, at the same time, there are also new customers coming in to buy. We don't really depend on 11 and 12 sales. That one is extra bonus to my existing online shop followers that we wanted to reward them on year end. We wanted to diversify our lines. That's why we're thinking of Alibaba platform. We're doing export market, doing bulk quantities orders. Like we have orders from China, and at the same time we also receive like inquiries from Chilis that they wanted to buy concentrated in 200 liters one, where they do our own packing. Retail is a conventional way where we have to spend a lot of like listing fees, but for e-commerce online shop is the minimal cost for doing listing. So from e-commerce, we cut off all those hazards and focusing on marketing and branding and sales. My advice to other entrepreneurs is go online, go e-commerce. No matter is local market or overseas market. Don't just only stay in offline, your own comfort zone. Go e-commerce, go expand.